Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Sienna SE. This is a 7-passenger minivan in celestial silver, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a proximity smart key system, power liftgate, along with power sliding doors and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, it's as easy as putting a hand inside the door handle. Now inside the side mirror, you can see you have a blind spot monitoring system along with heated mirrors. Moving inside here, right up top, you have your power windows, locks, adjustable side mirrors. There's some storage on the bottom of the door there. The Sienna comes equipped with dark charcoal leather seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, you have these arrows right here, and this will just help you cycle through any audio that might be playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster right here will help you navigate through the multi-information display. Below that, you also have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. Behind the wheel, you will find your cruise control speed settings. If we move on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that's playing. On the right side, you got your navigation map. We can press that and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, and a Bluetooth device. Moving down below is our tri-zone climate control system, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you got also the temperatures for the rear passengers in the back. Down below that, we can press this button. You got nice 2 cup holders that come out. You also find your USB and auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet to the left of that. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can hold this left button on our key fob, and that door will open for us. If we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the dark charcoal seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you do have these little extra storage compartments. You do also have a screen up top as well. These rear seats do fold down. It's as easy as pulling this little handle here. Seats will fold, we can slide them forward, giving you access to your third row seating. To access the cargo of this Sienna, we can hold that bottom button on our key fob as well, and that power liftgate will open on its own. If we take a look inside here, you can see even with the third row seating up, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. These rear seats do fold down. It's as easy as pulling on this little handle here. The seats are flat. Like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will give you that extra bit of room. To close up, there is a little button up top. You can give that a press, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your 3-zone climate control system, driver and passenger heated seats, and charcoal leather seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.